Hello friend, welcome to the Eklavya Universes. I am Ravindra K, the founder and the developer of the system named Eklavya Universes, which was developed with a mission to shape one system, all of IT career. Now, I am quite excited to present to you the first ever 4-hour Python masterclass. This masterclass enables you to write 6 Python projects formally like a professional. That means you think like a professional and build projects like a professional. And I am presenting this masterclass absolutely free. And I firmly believe that this masterclass will become a game changer in your career. I assure you that you derive multiple advantages through this masterclass. Now, I am going to explain few of them here. The first one is not just understanding. Experience the zero to expert approach within just 4 hours. Here, theoretically it is not possible to explain. You should be convinced. For that purpose, you should experience that. Once you experience that, then you can adapt it in your future programming. The second one is drive away fears towards programming studies or software career. Actually, lot of hype is created towards programming studies or software career and all that. By attending this 4 hours master class, all those myths are shattered, and whatever fear you have towards programming studies are driven away, and you develop, you enrich self-confidence. That helps you a lot. Third one, learning by doing. Actually, this also it is difficult to explain theoretically. What is this? This is exactly like learning to car driving. How you learn car driving? It is not possible to teach driving in the classroom. You learn car driving only by sitting in the driving seat of a car and drive it. Okay. In the same manner, in programming also, from the day one, you develop projects, and by that you understand concepts and own them. That means you gain knowledge as well as programming skills at a time. You should understand it practically. Theoretically, it is not possible to explain. Fourth one, step by step towards success. Actually, this is like setting a Google map. Once you set a Google map to reach a destination, whatever step you put, that is towards your destination. Here also, every step you put, that is towards your goal. That means no distractions at all, and whatever effort you put, that contribute towards your success. That point you have to understand. The last but not least, enjoy programming. Here one thing I have to tell you, where you enjoy, there you never get tired. Here in the programming, you draw instant result. The instant results act like a driving force in you. They motivates you always. Here I have to give you example regarding where you enjoy, there you never get tired. Actually, some students in classroom, just 1 hour period also, they fed up, they feel tired, and they look at the watch now and then. The same person in film theater, at least 3 hours, he sits and enjoys. A fraction of second also, he cannot bear the disturbance. The same person in a cricket stadium, 10 hours at a stretch in a hot summer, sitting on the cement benches also, he can enjoy. Here, what is the difference? 1 hour classroom, 3 hours film theater, and 10 hours cricket stadium. The difference is you can draw a principle where you enjoy, there you never get tired. Through this 4 hours Python workshop, Python masterclass, you start enjoying programming. Once you start enjoying, then you never get tired, and thereafter you can make programming studies to build your career, a successful career.